we're making pizza style smash burgers out on my 17-inch Blackstone. Coming up. All right, everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are going to be making smash burgers, and not any smash burgers. We are going to have a pizza play on them, all right? You know, smash burgers are done to death, but my boy James from Cookin with James, he hit me up. He's like, dude, I want to do a collaboration. I want to do something fun. Let's do smash burgers on our Blackstones. I'm like, you know what? I'm in. You're a good dude. Love what you do. Let's see what we can do. All right. So I found a variation that I wanted to use. So I'm gonna do pizza style smash burgers. All right. So I got these wonderful buns. We're gonna put Italian seasoning in the meat. I got some green bell peppers cut up, some onions. We got some pepperoni that we'll fry up. You know, I like black olives, so we'll probably stick some of those on there. Little mozz. We'll turn the buns into like garlic bread, so it'll be good. All right, let's get out there on the Blackstone and see what's up. All right, come on. All right, guys, we're gonna get going on this this hamburger meat here. We're gonna make two big old smash burgers. All right, so we got about a tablespoon of minced garlic. We'll throw a little crushed red pepper in there. I don't know about you guys, but I like a little pepper on my pizzas. All right. And we got some Italian seasoning. Just Italian herbs, no big deal. All right, we're gonna smush this all up and incorporate it. Come on back, and we'll be out on the Blackstone. We're gonna butter our buns real quick. Put a little, maybe a little garlic powder on those. But we'll be ready to go. All right, come on back. All right, guys, let's get going. Our griddle top here is already heated up. We're adding a little of this garlic olive oil. Figure it might make it taste good. Get the spread around. Okay, let's get our bell peppers and our onions on. Ay, ay, ay. A little warm, little warm. Sorry for the air conditioner in the background. These should cook up pretty quick. So we're gonna go ahead and add our smash burgers on there. And of course, you know I got my SC spatula, which I think will be good to smash it down. I already seasoned these burgers, so I didn't put any seasoning on them now. All right. Oops. All right, let those go for a sec. We'll smash them down. And then I got some pepperonis that we're just gonna throw in there. Ain't nothing wrong with a little fried pepperoni. Let's get these bad boys smashed. These are gonna be huge. Yeah. All right, let's get this way. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna move these bell peppers up a little bit. I need to heat up the sauce. Heat up that pizza sauce. Guys, that is just looking too good. Those colors on there. It's gonna cook pretty quick. We smashed that one pretty good. The one in the back, it's a little thicker, so we'll let that one go a little bit more. But I think we're doing good. And we got all them good lovelies over there. All them good vegetables. Pepperoni's cooking. You don't need to do it. It's already obviously cooked. But, yeah, I want to do it. All right, come on. All right, guys, we're back. Let's get this other one. We got one flipped over. We got some cheese on it already. Ooh-wee. Look at that crust right there. All right, we're gonna add our mozz to it. I think we're only gonna do one burger on the actual burger we do for the taste test. But in the meantime, just squirt a little water around it, let it steam so it melts. All right, let's check them out. Whew, look at that. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if we can maneuver this around a little bit. You know this is ready to go. Woo. All right, we're gonna move it in. We're gonna put our cutting board on, turn the heat off, get our bun on here, nice and toasty. Get that on there. Ooh, you see that right there? That's me later. Ow. It's a little warm, don't mind telling you. We'll add a little sauce to the top. Get our onions and bell peppers on there. Get our pepperonis. All right, guys, here's a recap of our ingredients for these pizza smash burgers that we made. All right, so we got our 80-20 ground beef, mozzarella, some pepperonis. We got a little green bell pepper, a little white sweet onion, garlic oil, a little pasta sauce, a little pizza sauce, and some black olives and some brioche buns. All right, come on back to the table. All right, guys, we're back. This thing smells excellent. It's gonna be a mess. I got paper towels for days here. We are ready to go. So I'm gonna top this bad boy, and I'm gonna cut it. Shit, I don't even know where to cut it. All right, screw it. We're gonna take a big old bite. All right. Whew, it's a little hot, a little hot. Look at all that, dude. That crispiness. Oh, melty cheese. Got in here. I had some on my nose. I'll get one more bite. No. Don't talk with your mouth full, CJ. Oh my God, it's so good. And I'm so hungry, so awesome. James, thanks for doing this little collaboration with me. Guys, if you haven't checked out Cookin with James, do it. His links down below in the description. Show more. If you want to get one of them Blackstone 17-inch tabletop griddles, there'll be a link in the description also and in the comments. It was pretty damn good. I'm enjoying this. See you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.